Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about time aligning stems. I've got some backing tracks pulled in here for a famous song we'll be playing, but the tracks don't seem to be on the grid. Let's take a listen to how that sounds.
Verse 3, 4.
So as you can hear, the tracks don't seem to be on the click. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my drum track to the top, and then I'm going to select all these track heads, and I'm going to click Link Tracks. This will link these all together. Then I'm going to select all the tracks and hit Warp and turn it to Complex. Then I'm going to open the Warp window on the drum track. The reason I like using the drums is for the sharp transient. I'm going to double click on the transient and pull it to the grid. And I'll do that for wherever it looks like the track is starting to get off the grid. Because my tracks are linked, it does it all at once, rather than having to do each at the same time.
Verse 3, 4.
Nice and tight on the grid. Thanks so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments what we missed and what you want us to talk about next.